Hello everyone, welcome to DotNetMirror channel. Today we are exploring a powerful feature that can save your hours of manual configuration, cloning an Azure App Service. Whether you need to migrate regions or spin up a new environment, cloning is the way to go. Here is our agenda for today. We will start with the basics of Azure App Service, then define exactly what is cloning. We will cover two primary methods using the Azure portal for a GUI experience and PowerShell for automation. Finally, we'll jump into a demo to see the app running live on the Azure cloud. If you are new here, please hit the subscribe button to stay updated with our latest Azure and .NET tutorials. First, a quick refresher. Azure App Service is a fully managed platform as a service. It allows you to build and deploy web apps, RESTful APIs, and mobile backends without managing the underlying infrastructure. You can use your favorite languages like .NET, Java, PHP, or Python and run them on Windows, Linux, or even inside Docker containers. Azure offers many ways to get your code into the cloud. Beyond standard methods like FTP, publish profiles, or GitHub Actions, we have specialized techniques like deployment slots and zip deployments. These are different ways to deploy your application. I have created videos for all these deployment methods. You can go and watch our playlist. I will provide the link in the description. Today, however, we are focusing on creating a complete replica through cloning. So what does it mean to clone an app? It means creating a one-to-one replica of an existing web app, including its code, configuration, and settings. The use cases to clone the app: let's say you want to do a regional migration, let's say moving from an application from east US to south India for lower latency. Environment setup, like quickly creating a QA or UAT from the production environment. And also alpha beta testing, launching a twin app to test features without any risk. Make sure the golden rules: cloning is only supported for standard, premium, isolated tiers. Also keep in mind that historically this is the way only for Windows only app feature. The easiest way to clone app is via Azure portal. In the Azure portal, navigate to the app. Under development tools, clone the app. Configure your destination, choose the app name, resource group name, and your target region or the plan. You can now choose whether to include your current app settings or connection strings. Let's get into the demo. Now in the Azure portal, I created a resource group with the app service and app service plan. And the app service plan contains a free web app. So it's a free pricing plan. Let's go to the apps. Yeah, the web app is up and running. So I have a sample application in my GitHub repo. I will provide the link in the description. This application basically a basic ASP.NET application which is reading couple of app settings. So I have already cloned this, and this is the application. And within this application, we have couple of app settings, and we are reading those settings. And if you run the application locally, it shows home page and privacy page. In the home page, I have one connection string and one app settings which I'm reading. So let's deploy this app to the Azure App Service. Let's go to Azure, Windows. Let's select our resource group. This is our resource group, and this is the web app. Let's deploy there. Now the app is published. Let's refresh. Now if you see here, the app is published to Azure, and these are the settings. Let's go and add these settings. Let's add these two settings in Azure. Instead of local, I'll say Azure Dev App. Let's apply, and let's add connection string as well. Let's apply this. Now if you refresh, so instead of local, now you are getting the Azure dev. Now our app is ready. Let's clone this. To clone the application, go to clone app. Now we are in the free tier. That's why it says it is not available. You have to scale to minimum standard. Let's scale up this app service plan. Before scaling, make sure you are looking at the price. So I'm putting it to S1. So now it's updating the plan. So now let's refresh the app service plan. Yeah, now the plan is moved to S1. Let's go to the app. Let's go to clone app. As we are in S1 plan, now you are able to get the details. Now it says what is the resource group you want to clone. So you can create new as well, but I'll continue with the same resource group. I will just say DNM clone app, and here you can select a different region as well, but I'll continue with the same app service plan. So here also you can go and create to a different region and different app service plan, but in this case I'm trying to proceed with the same app service plan, but you can go and deploy to different region and different app service plan which you want. So I'm trying to use the same app service plan. So let's clone this. Now if you see here, the cloning of our web app is succeeded. Let's go to the resource. Now let's browse the newly cloned app. Now if you see the cloned app, it is exactly copy of your previous application, and this is our original application and this is a cloned application. Now we looked at the Azure Portal demo, how you can clone the web app from your existing Azure App Service application. The method 2 is PowerShell. For those who love automation, method 2 uses Azure PowerShell. This is perfect for bulk operations. We use the new AZ-WebApp command with the source web app parameter. As you see here, we first get the source app information and then run the create command for the new region. And if you want to bring your slots along with your application, use include source web slots in your command. In this way, you can use this particular command new AZ-WebApp, and you can clone your app from the automation perspective as well. Let's understand what is not cloned. It is important to know what does not carry over. While code and settings are cloned, things like custom domain, SSL certificate, scaling rules, and VNet settings are not copied. You must set these up manually on the new app. Also remember that cloning the app doesn't clone your SQL database. You must handle the migration separately. And also if your source application contains app insights, please make sure that you're creating new app insights and map to the cloned application as well. When it comes to region availability, you can clone across regions, but ensure the destination region supports the same app service plan as the source. I have provided the links to the official documentation and demo code on GitHub for your reference in the description. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and comment below. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.